no matter, darling, where you are, I think of you day and night, night and day. So just in short form, what's happened? Well, it's been well over 2 months since I made my last video, and a lot has happened. So, as I said, it's been a very long time since I've posted anything, and some of you may be wondering what's happened. Well, a bunch of things. At the end of February, the beginning of March, I moved my business. For those of you who don't know what I do, I make concrete. I make concrete countertops and furnishings and things of that sort. Bathtubs, very high-end kinds of things. Needless to say, concrete things are heavy, and in order to move my shop, I only moved the shop around about 5 miles to another mill building. There are a lot of large mill buildings in the area of the country that I'm in. It took 24 trucks load worth of stuff. Now, I'm used to moving heavy things. I make some very large concrete objects, but I was surprised. I mean, we make big things and then we move them out, and I was surprised that I had that much stuff that needed to be moved, and the level of physical effort was pretty amazing. I mean, though we make large objects, we're not heavily automated. I believe in things like the fulcrum and the pivot and other simple machines like that. I mean, if the Egyptians could do it, or if a community could build a church using horses and blocks and tackles in the 1800s, then I should be able to do the same with a lot of manual power, given what I'm doing, seeing it's all custom. It's not a production thing. I'm not dehumanizing the people working for me. I'm relying on their minds and their hands, and we make simple machines in order to make things happen. So I really don't have a lot of heavy equipment yet. 24 truckloads of stuff was required to move from one place to the next, and we had 3 or 4 dumpsters loads that we threw out, and a whole bunch of concrete countertops that we just gave away. But moving physically the stuff is only the first part of a business move. So then there was the redeployment of the shop so we could start working again. And I don't know where you're watching from, but there has been a bit of recession in this part of the world, and fortunately it seems that business is back, that there are people not just of the wealthy classes, but also the middle classes, who are willing to spend money again. So, which is good. It's nice to have business. I will get a paycheck that way. But that's sort of fully taken up my time. So now business is running again. I can start to post videos. The move actually is rather fortuitous in that, given that I'm planning to make some moves towards transition, I'd really like to do it in a place that is set up for that, with personnel who are accepting of it, in a place that's accepting of it, and the place that I move the business to is far more likely to be that way. How that goes, I'll let you know. I mean, you'll be watching along, at least as far as I am able to show you videos of what happens as it happens. In any case, I don't really have very much to say right now. I may add a little more to the video later, but I thought it important that I put something together and let everybody know that I'm still out there and still watching everybody else's videos, and I want to thank you for watching. Thanks.